We just showed you how to activate the filter menu. I also mentioned that there's quicker ways to sort data, like really quick ways to sort data, and now's the time. I gotta deliver. So you can sort in the filter menu. We talked about that. There's other quick ways to sort it. You can use the ribbon commands at the top, and then there's another way. It's the legacy sort. I think this is just like a function that was an older version of Excel that they haven't thrown out yet, and hey, if it's there, we're going to use it. So sorting ascending, if you just hit on your keyboard in sequence, Alt-ASA, you're going to sort ascending. That's the most common way to sort. Alt-ASD is going to sort descending, and then you can use the dialog box by doing Alt-ASS, and that's how you do a custom sort. It's easy to remember. Then there's the old way. Alt-DS is, one key shorter, but does the same thing as the current command. So you got a bunch of options here, and we're going to go over these options. Okay, let's learn how to sort our data using the shortcuts. So sorting the data, most people go to the top where it says sort and filter. You can do a quick sort, but a lot of people go to do like a custom sort. No matter which one you do, it's a lot faster just to use the shortcuts. So let's say we want to sort it by their first name. Actually, it looks like it's already sorted by first name, so let's sort it by the ID. So all you have to do here is press in sequence, not at the same time, Alt-A-S-A. That was actually using the menu, and what it meant is sort ascending. So the Alt and the A gets you to the sort menu, and then hitting S and then A makes it sort ascending. So if we wanted to sort it from highest to lowest, you'd do Alt-A-S-D. So that's highest to lowest. So that's sort descending. If you want to do like a custom sort, but it's Alt-A-S-S. So that's how you get here, and then you can tab around and you can add levels. You can, sort by colors. You can do a lot of things, but that's how you do it. And then there's one more way to do a sort, and that's Alt-DS. So Alt-DS, it brings up the same thing. It's actually just one key shorter. And what this is right here, it's a legacy sort, and it's still in here, so we're going to use it. But that's the quickest way. So let's say there was like a red line, and we want to sort, and then let's just put the red line, make the red line at top. So we're going to do a custom sort. So let's do that. Alt-DS, Alt-DS, and then we are going to, let's tab around. We only need one level. Let's add a level. We'll sort it first by color, then by ID. So tab to get to the next section. Now that we're in that box, so we're going to sort by, let's sort by color, then by ID. So there you go. Sort by color, and then by the values. And we want to make sure the red's on top. So let's get to the one we want. Tab it, get the red, and then we are going to go down here and then tab to the OK button, and there it is. We sorted by color and then by number descending.